think more than closing the deal, the thrill is in getting the client what he wants. चाय पे चाय चल रही है, धार्मिक बातें, भगवान की बातें.
मजा और जर्नी में होता है.
I think the thrill of just asking for what the customer wants and finally getting it for him.
फिर नेक्स्ट डे फिर हम सुबह सुबह गए, अच्छा अब ये भी दे दो. फिर हम कॉल पे गए उसके साथ, अच्छा चल इन्होंने ये तो दे दिया, अब ये और करा दे. I was like, dude.
To be honest with you, वो तो खाली चाय के लिए आया था और बोला पवन भाई आपके साथ चाय महंगी हो गई. So I think
वो अभी 2-3 साल बाद हमें बोलेगा नहीं वो चाय बहुत सस्ती हो गई थी. So Pawan bhai, how was the experience? It was our first deal together.
Yes.
That too in Russell Khema.
Radhe Radhe. By the grace of Thakurji, we closed our first deal. That also in Russell Khema. I mean, I'll be very honest with you. I think more than closing the deal, the thrill is in getting the client what he wants.
Absolutely.
The negotiation is the best part. Going
I
there.
think we spent 7 hours
in the past 2 days.
In 2 days. Sitting with the developer.
Correct.
क्या
चाय पे चाय चल रही है, बातें चल रही है, इधर उधर की बातें.
क्या डिस्कशन करा हमने.
पहले तो इधर उधर की बातें, फिर धार्मिक बातें, भगवान की बातें. Then what where we started from, where we are. फिर finally I think 2 घंटे बाद तो हम बुद्धे पे पहुंचे.
मतलब स्टार्ट हमने ऐसा करा. You always said that मजा और जर्नी में होता है. ठीक है. वो जर्नी जो थी उसमें जितना हमने थ्रिल देखा, इतनी नॉलेज मिली.
पहले कस्टमर को कॉल, कस्टमर वापस फोन करे, बोले मेरे को ये नहीं ये चाहिए.
एक प्लॉट पता है रसल खेमा, स्पेशली इन मरजान.
करेक्ट.
किसका क्या प्लॉट है, क्या आने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है. आई थिंक for us as a team, we have got so much knowledge about Russell Khema right now.
Yeah, we got to learn a lot.
A lot.
And I think that's the good thing. When you have these kind of conversations with developers, you sit, you learn so much.
Absolutely.
You learn something, you teach them something.
True.
And I think it eventually just worked out for the best.
That's true.
But I think all in all, again, I think the thrill of just asking for what the customer wants and finally getting it for him, I think that's where you realize that we really prioritize the customer.
Absolutely.
More than anyone else. It doesn't even matter how much time we are spending, but we make sure whatever he wanted, it was given.
Yeah.
He
asked first time, okay, I want this.
Yeah.
We took some time.
After we got him what he wanted, he's like, अभी मेरे को ये भी check करो. हाँ, exactly.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है सर, हम try करते हैं. उसमें पूरा दिन चला गया. फिर नेक्स्ट डे फिर हम सुबह सुबह गए, अच्छा अब ये भी दे दो. फिर हम कॉल पे गए उसके साथ, अच्छा चल इन्होंने ये तो दे दिया, अब ये और करा दे. I was like, dude,
it's like the wants are unlimited, but even with regardless of the fact that the wants are unlimited, वो सारी चीजें दी जो उनको चाहिए थे.
और कैसे दोनों पे हमने बैलेंस करा. और hats off, to the client जिसने हमारे पे ट्रस्ट करा. ठीक है. एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी थी. प्लस द डेवलपर वो भी समझा कि इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल डील, और उसने भी अपना पूरा टाइम दिया. और
and they gave us a lot of respect. Their patience was really respected. And I think another good thing is our bonding as a team. To sit together in a room, to have that vibe and that connection, that's very rare today. A lot of agents nowadays, what they want? They want to do it on their own. They want to do that. But the fact that we work together, and I think it's true when they say, you got 5 fingers. If all of them function together, that's when you make a fist, and
Absolutely.
that's when you're strongest. Correct. And that's how a company grows, when you work together.
The experience was really great.
It was fantastic. And I think this will just be a start of all the new opportunities we can get for Russell Khema. We have just scratched the surface in Russell Khema.
I think 3 days back, we went to Russell Khema. We wanted ourselves to actually like Russell Khema. I was trying. I was trying कि यार क्या इस एमिरेट में इतना दम है. We hired one person only for Russell Khema. Then I went back and forth to actually मुझे पहले पसंद आएगा, मैं उसके बाद client को I can convince him. If I am not convinced, then I will never convince my client.
Correct.
I was so sure that this gonna get some good returns in future.
I mean, think about this, right? The client wasn't even with us.
No, he was not there.
He gave us the money. He's like, you go, talk on my behalf. The fact that they trust us also, I think that's also, it gave us that boost, right? We are willing to spend even 7 hours, even 10 hours, it doesn't matter. As long as you have trusted us, we are talking on your behalf. And I think that's very important. We're neither from the developer's side, we're from the client side, and we want to make sure that the client gets everything that he's asked for. And
he was a new customer.
Brand new.
Yeah.
Brand
he was not from our portfolio or your portfolio. He was a brand new customer. I think we just met him once. for a coffee.
Yeah.
And we convinced him.
To be honest with you, वो तो खाली चाय के लिए आया था और बोला पवन भाई आपके साथ चाय महंगी हो गई. You know, so I think next time वो चाय पे नहीं आएगा.
वो अभी 2-3 साल बाद हमें बोलेगा नहीं वो चाय बहुत सस्ती हो गई थी.
वो चाय उसको returns अच्छी देगा. That much I can guarantee.
100%.
God bless. I mean, at the end of the day, Thakur ji की कृपा है and yeah.
So many more to come.
Many more to come.